In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your WordPress subscription. This process can seem a bit overwhelming at first, but I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. Let's get started by ensuring you're logged into your WordPress account. It's essential because you need access to your dashboard, where all subscription management takes place. Once you're logged in, find your way to the WordPress.com homepage if you aren't already there. Look at the upper right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on that, and a menu will drop down. From that menu, you'll see Manage Purchases. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where all of your subscriptions and purchases with WordPress are listed. It's almost like a receipt, so you can see all active services. Now, locate the subscription you want to cancel. Next to that, you'll see an option labeled Manage. Click on that, and a new page will open. It's important here to review the terms of your subscription, just to make sure you understand what will happen when you cancel it. After you've done that, find the Cancel Subscription option, and click on it. You'll need to confirm that you truly want to proceed with the cancellation, so follow the prompts accordingly. WordPress might ask you to provide a reason for your cancellation. This step is optional, designed to gather feedback to improve their services, but you can choose to offer some insights if you'd like. Once you've completed this, confirm the cancellation. A confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating the subscription has indeed been cancelled. Make sure to read through this confirmation carefully, as it contains relevant details about the process and any remaining access to the services until the end of the current billing cycle. If for some reason, you don't receive a confirmation message, or you're unsure whether the cancellation was successful, go back to Manage Purchases and check the status of your subscription. It should now appear as cancelled. At this point, it's a good idea to go to your email inbox and look for a cancellation confirmation from WordPress. If it's not in your main inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Remember, even after canceling, you'll still have access to any paid features until the end of your billing period. This might be useful if you need a little extra time to wrap things up on your site before everything ends. And that's it. You've now successfully canceled your WordPress subscription. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials in the future.